Okay guys, purpose of this video is I want to show you, so my intern, my interviewee, I want to show you how to create your Trainual account. So after the site manager expresses to you that he sent an email, or he's going to send an email to you letting you know that the Trainual account has been created, you need to check your email and create a Trainual account. So I've sent an email to myself as if I was an intern or interviewee. Here you go. So I'm going to click the link. My name is William Zaddy. So you've been added to Trainual, Savoy Fitness's process and training platform. You can accept the invitation or click the link below. I'm going to click on accept the invitation. So now I need to create an account. First thing you need to do is add a picture. I will be upset if I don't have a picture. Make sure you just do what it says. Go on Facebook, find me a picture, put it here. Let's just do that because I know somebody's not going to know how to do it. I'm going to browse avatar, and I am going to go to my desktop. Look guys, if you got a Mac, I'm going to be honest with you. If I have to show you how to import a picture, you probably shouldn't be interning for me. I'm just going to use this picture. This is me. Even though it's my client Mandy, I'm going to save changes. That is the avatar. I actually need a picture of you though. Job title, I want you to put interviewee. All right, interviewee, because you gotta get the job password. Savoy 123 double exclamation point. Savoy 123 double exclamation point. Please write it down and save it. Save it to your computer, whatever you gotta do. Do not ask me for your another password. I'm not dealing with it. So let's go. And you can save it. I'm just not gonna save it. And there you go. This is how you create your access to Trainual. Stay tuned for the next video, because in the next video I'm going to show you the purpose of Trainual, what it does, and how to do everything there. Thank you.